So by now you guys know that I absolutely love the entire AI crypto sector, and one of the cryptos that are right at the top in this big data AI sector is the Graph. And the Graph protocol is one that has been around the longest. It's been around for a while now. It's still ranked in the top 50. And there are three big reasons I want to talk about in this video why I think it's going to be a great one to have in your portfolio as we enter altcoin season, which should be right around the corner. 2024, 2025, usually the biggest altcoin gains come after the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving slated for April 2024, usually about 6 to 8 months after that. So I think this is going to carry into 2025. But on a grander kind of point here, before we get into the graph specifically, the entire AI sector has been booming in 2023. It started out with a boom in January, and now it's come back around with cryptos like Render and Injective recently that have really sparked another rally in AI. And there are even some small cap cryptos that I absolutely love that have been performing extremely well, two of which are PMPY and Vault. I've been tweeting about those, talking about these small cap cryptos. Pal AI is another one that just comes top of mind. TokenFi. I've had so much success in this AI sector, and I feel like we're just beginning. Now, the Graph is obviously a long-term play for me, and I want to show you this first and foremost with the Graph. Here in the last month, this is the highest point we've been, okay? A couple different times we got up to this level, about 17.7, 17.5. We have just broken through that. We are now at the highest point we've been in the last month. And if you're wondering where our upside potential is here, our local tops, if you will, with the Graph, we're looking at a little bit over 20 cents, okay? Closer to 21 cents is our upside potential. And if we could take a look over here on TradingView, this is the 12-hour, okay? Check this out, guys. Sunday, October 22nd, on the 12-hour, our momentum up indicator flashed on XT Algo. This is my trading indicator. I had it built by the best of the best. I went out and found the person who builds indicators for the second largest indicator company in the world. Hired him. Wanted to build something simple, easy to use. That's exactly what he built me here with XT Algo. I'm super pumped. It gives you simple visual indicators to help make your trading easier and simpler. Right now, we've got a holiday discount. Guys, this offer is not going to last forever. It is gone by January 2nd. 25% off, lifetime access. Lifetime access. So once you get in at that level, you are paying that level forever. If you guys are interested, check out the links down below. Here's the cool thing too. You can use it for any market, crypto, stocks, Forex, commodities. You can have customized alerts set on your cell phone. So that's nice while you're on the go. You can know exactly when something like the Graph right here is moving up and take advantage of that. So dating back to, as I mentioned, October 22nd here, 111, 112% move to the upside there, as you guys can see, in a 61-day period. And we just broke 18 cents as well. We had some huge news come out on November 7th, right, where they announced their new roadmap, their new era. Covered that on the channel, by the way. If you guys are interested, I've made a couple other Graph videos. This one talking about the new era. You guys can go check that out. Just type in the Graph and my name there. What is the Graph? If you guys just want a kind of basic rundown and some price analysis as we head into the next few years, there you go. Check that out. Those two videos are there for you, and definitely check those out. I'll link them at the end of the video here as well. But I want to get to why I'm still very, very bullish on the Graph. And there's a couple different reasons. Number one, it's in a sector that I think is certainly primed to do really, really well, and that's the AI big data sector. It's also a household name there. It's been around for a really long time. And what the Graph does, without kind of diving deep, because this is kind of the deep dive video right here, what is the Graph? It is basically Google for Web3. So it queries data. So how does Google work for Web 2? How does it really work? It instantaneously queries data. And that's what GRT does on the Web 3 side of things. So that is going to be something that I think is primed to be exactly what we need in the Web 3 world. The Graph continues to ink massive partnerships as well. So here's a big announcement right here. Subgraphs on Graph can now be queried using Python. This is huge from the developer standpoint. Subgraphs, our open source Python library, is now part of the Graph docs, it says. Thousands of open APIs on the graph are ready to serve blockchain data to your Python environment. This news just came out yesterday. I think it's one of the reasons why it's performing so well. I'm going to go ahead and share that as well. And then this one too. The Graph Network yesterday or 2 days ago has added support for Optimism. Any devs building on Optimism can now easily create fast, unstoppable, and performant dApps front ends served by subgraphs on the decentralized network. Huge, huge win here again for the Graph. And we are seeing it. I'm going to actually put a quote here too. The Graph continues to ink wins. GRT. Boom. So again, guys, if you guys are interested in getting into the Graph early when we should have been getting in back here at 8 cents, if you want to know what the next crypto is that is early, that is just getting ready to make a big move, again, check out XT Algo. And these are a few reasons why the Graph is in my portfolio, why it's a long-term hold for me. Again, the longevity. It's in an AI sector, big data sector that I love. It continues to ink massive partnerships. And then just from a fundamental standpoint, what it brings to the table for Web3 is enormous in terms of querying data. It is the best project at doing what it does. And right now sitting just shy of a $1.7 billion market cap. Keep in mind here, the all-time high is around 17 cents right now. Actually, no, that's the local high. I'm like, wait a minute. No, it's in the dollar range. Where's the all-time high? They always move this around. There it is. $2.88. $2.88. So if you're wondering, if we go over to the coin perspective here and we go to the Graph, GRT, and we put in here 288, we are still 15x away from all-time highs. This is what I call undervalued. Undervalued right now, the Graph. In my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. Don't forget to subscribe as well, as you don't want to miss out on any more content we put out. And again, links down below for XT Algo if you're interested in checking that out. Access it anytime, anywhere, all devices. Get started today with that holiday discount. Links in the description. Thank you so much. We'll see you.